In this video I'll show you how I make ketogenic chocolate. This is a tin wall container, flexible, and I'm going to use coconut oil, macadamia nuts, cocoa powder, unsweetened, and 5 Truvia buckets. Also, I'm gonna add butter. And we start with butter. I'm not gonna add a lot of butter because it's salted. If I had unsalted butter, I would add more of it. Now I'm going to melt this butter and microwave a little bit. I'll add a little bit of... Actually, yeah. As much as it's gonna need it. Here is less than 1 inch of coconut oil. Meanwhile, I'm going to crush macadamia nuts. That's what they look like. I just want to break them a little bit. With a rolling pin. It's already warm. Butter is melted, I guess. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. Cocoa powder. Let's see if it integrates. I put more cocoa powder than appears reasonable.